Boom, boom, boom. Boom! What's the rating with the boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss? On a back in effect with another video for you guys. The weird song from Vybz Kartel. The song is called Hype Life. You feel me? Official music video. You know we love the music videos already. It's been a minute since I did a Vybz Kartel reaction. So yeah, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the fucking song. And let's see. I listen to J-pop or random songs that just pop up. I feel you. But right now, we can listen to this Vybz Kartel song. I'm live on Twitch chat. YouTube, we live on Twitch every night now. Tap the link down below in the comments. It's pinned in the comments or in the description. Let's get straight to this reaction, y'all. Vybz Kartel. The song is called Hype Life. Lego.
Yeah.
Hold up, Jesus Christ! Hold on! Wait, let me get these out the way. Already off the get-go. Let's go. What? No, hold on.
Hold on. Chopped up, me escape from prison like Chapo. Money off it pop up. Big G-Wagon, all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pop up. Pussy them would.
Man said he escaped from prison like El Chapo. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let go.
No pop up. Pussy them would still want see me lock up. So me go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell me them out the fees I not run yet. Then me fly out the nether.
That's Trabas. He got Trabas TV in the video. Hold on.
Turn the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway. When me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab.
That guy said it's hype life this. He says ice like it's a fridge. Oh my god.
Man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal.
High mileage.
Them a pray for me fall, me a pray for me rise. That means said the whole of we a pray for me life.
Straight. Them a pray for him fall, he's praying for him to rise. That means everybody a pray for him life. Oh my god, there you go. Go on, Kartel.
For me rise, that means said the whole of we a pray for me life. See them loyal, me make she my wife and turn them wife in a side chick. Bite it, ride dick. You like it? Type shit. Anything me see it and me want it, me bite it. Why it bun them? That I'm at the pussy them. Me a go cap a jet, cut the wings and drive it. Type life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, he escape from prison like Chapo. Money off it pop up. Big G-Wagon, all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pop up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So
I ain't gonna lie, Chad. I was supposed to get like some of them guappy jeans outfit, but I didn't get it. Not just the jeans. I was talking like the full fit, like
the fit he has.
So he, you know, Guapi, right? The brand Guapi.
I think so.
So you remember when the young boy was promoting them, the camo fit, right? And everybody was buying exactly. So that's a brand that's called Guapi. So what he does is collaborate with different artists. So he collaborated with Vybz Kartel from Jamaica and did a Jamaican drop. And I was supposed to buy the fit, but that motherfucker was expensive. Shit. That motherfucker was more expensive than probably Young Boy's shit was expensive. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Shit, I ain't had that money at that time on it. Shit, let go though.
go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell me them out the fees I not run yet. Then me fly out the nether sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway. When me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Hype life this, ice like.
Motherfuckers probably be thinking I'm gay for this shit.
Like fridge, weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage.
Okay.
He has some high mileage in that video though.
Yeah, Shadow was stickers, and I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, YouTube, if you move back with the reactions, tap in for the post this right now. It's 10 a.m. It's 10 p.m. That means 11 o'clock in Jamaica. We're going to drop this. Y'all, like the video, comment, subscribe on the way to 100K subscribers on YouTube and on Twitch. We're on the way to like 1,000 followers on Twitch. So let's get to it. You feel me? We live every night. I'm going to post the video right now for you on YouTube. And we're going to do it live on Twitch with me. So everybody watching on Twitch, y'all going to see the posting process. Let's go.